We're in lesson 2.3. We're doing example 2, and we're talking about our friend Terry, who made 395 cake pops, chocolate cake pops, specifically for her catering business. She put them into groups of 8 in jars to decorate tables. How many jars will she need? Now we know this is a division problem because of this phrase here, into groups of. This is a division key phrase, and we are writing it like this, 395 divided by 8. But we're not going to do our division like this. We're going to put it in the other way. So 395 divided by 8, I want to be, I'll have enough room here. So I'll make my division box, and I'm going to put 395 in the box. This is my dividend, 395. And I'm going to put 8 on the outside. This is my divisor, the number that is doing the dividing. The dividend is being divided. The divisor is doing the dividing. Now, we're going to walk through this. Remember, the steps for division are divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down, followed by, of course, repeat as many times as necessary. So, first things first, divide. Does 8 go into 3? No, 8 does not go into 3. I'm going to put a little x up here just to remind myself, because place value is really important here. I need to make sure that I'm putting my quotient in the right spot. That becomes especially important when we start doing decimals. 8 does not go into 3, but it does go into 39. How many times does 8 go into 39? 8, 16, 24, 32. 4 times. 8 goes into 39 4 times. And as I just counted, 8 times 4 is 32. And again, that was divide. Now this is multiply. 32. Subtract. 39 minus 32 is 7. And bring down 5. Now we start over. We've done divide 8 into 39. Multiply 4 times 8. Subtract 39 minus 32. And bring down the 5. Now we repeat. Divide. How many times does 8 go into 75? 8 goes into 75, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. 9 times, because I can't go any farther than 70. I can't go any farther than 9 because that would get me to 80. So 9 times. 9 times 8 is, as I just said, 72. Have enough room? Yes, I have room. Subtract again. 75 minus 72 is 3. Right? And bring down. There's nothing for me to bring down here. There will be eventually, but right now there's not. So this is where we stop. And this is where we find our remainder. Remainder is whatever is left over after a division problem that does not go in evenly. I can't go 8 into 3, and there's nothing to bring down yet. So I can't go any farther. So this is where I stop. My quotient is 49 with 3 left over, which I can write as 49 remainder 3. Or there's another way I can write this. Instead of remainder 3, I can write it 49 and 3/8. I can take my remainder and put it in a fraction as a numerator over my divisor. And that gets me this fraction, and this fraction can't be simplified, so 3/8 it will stay. And we can check this by going, let me scoot up a little bit. We can check this by multiplying 49 times 8. 49 times 8. 9 times 8 we just said was 72. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 7 is 39. And before you say, hey, that's not right, remember we had a remainder of 3. We had 3 left over. So we'll add 3 to that, and we get 395. So how many jars is she going to need? Well, she's going to have this awkward number of 49, and she's going to have 3 left over.